In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex with interactive brokers. We'll walk through placing a straightforward currency trade in Trader Workstation, often called TWS, using the Mosaic workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring up a currency pair, choose between buying or selling, set your order details, and send the order with confidence. Start by launching Trader Workstation on your computer. When it opens, you'll be in the Mosaic workspace by default. Mosaic is designed for quick, intuitive trading. Your watch list is typically on the left, your charts and order entry panels are in the center, and your trade details and notifications appear below. Next, let's add a Forex pair to your watch list. Click an empty row in the watch list and type the currency code EUR. Then press Enter. A selection window will appear showing all the available instruments linked to that symbol. Choose Forex, and then select EUR to USD as the example pair. This tells TWS you want the spot foreign exchange contract for euros versus US dollars. A quick note on how to read this. The first currency, EUR, is the base currency. The second, USD, is the quote currency. Prices show how many US dollars equal 1 euro. Once EUR USD appears in your watch list, you're ready to initiate a trade. Click Buy if you want to buy euros and sell dollars, or click Sell if you want to sell euros and buy dollars. This is a key concept in Forex. Every trade involves buying one currency and simultaneously selling another. Now fill in the order details. For quantity, enter the number of units of the base currency, which in this case is euros. For example, 10,000 represents 10,000 euros. 100,000 is 100,000 euros. Choose your order type. Market orders aim to fill immediately at the best available price, which is fast but can be impacted by spreads and slippage. Limit orders let you specify the exact price you're willing to trade at, providing control over entry, but only executing if the market reaches your limit price. If you select a limit order, be sure to enter your desired price. When everything looks correct, click Transmit to send the order. TWS will route it and display the status, so you can see if it fills right away or waits for your limit price. Keep an eye on the bid and ask, along with the spread, as those affect execution and cost. That's all there is to placing a basic Forex trade in TWS using the Mosaic layout.